Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey. So today we're making chicken pasta in tomato sauce, and this was busing. You gotta try it. So we have frozen veggies, half of tomato, an onion, garlic cloves, chicken thighs, penne pasta, and we have here the tomato, basil, pasta sauce, hot pepper, red and green sweet peppers, and yeah, let's get into it. So I have our water here to boil. Follow the instruction on your pasta packet. Place the water to boil, add your salt and your oil. So once the water is boiled, you're going to now add the pasta to that water, and you're going to let it cook uncovered as per the instructions on the packet. So this was I think about 8 minutes to be boiled, but I like it al dente because it will then finish cooking along the process, the whole journey. So while the pasta is cooking, I heat the oil for to cook the chicken. The chicken has already been seasoned. I think this was like 7 days seasoned and placed in the freezer for 7 days. You know that it's well marinated. Okay, so season your chicken that you prefer, wash it properly, clean it properly, and use whatever seasoning you like on the chicken to your preference. I use chicken thighs because I prefer it over chicken breast because it doesn't dry out as easily and as fast as chicken breast. So yeah. Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you. So the oil is hot now, so I'm placing the chicken thighs, skin down, all 5 of them. They can hold in the pot well big, okay? So I'm gonna go whole. So I place all 5 of them in there, and then I'm just going to let them cook. I'm not going to let them cook 100%, about 95% of the way. And then I'm going to remove them from the bone and cut them into smaller pieces. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue. Don't forget your pasta, right? So remember, don't let it overcook. Remove it from the heat and strain and wash it under cold water, and save some of that pasta water for later to add later on. Okay? I know you told your friend you're not okay. Don't mind the chicken sticking to the pot, and leaving some things on the bottom of the pan, because all that goodness, you're going to need it for later on when you're frying up all the seasoning and you're going to mix everything together. Watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're
try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Alrighty, so they're about 95% done now, so I'm just going to remove them from the heat, and then I'm going to cut them up into smaller pieces. You know, remove them from the bone, and look at all that goodness that's left in the pot. And see, so I'm mixing all the veggies that we had, as I shown earlier, and I've chopped up, or you know, placing in there, getting everything, all that goodness. And then I'm just going to go ahead and place our chicken, or cut chicken, in the pot.
As you fade away, as you fade away, I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Right, so this is why I didn't want to overcook the chicken or cook it to 100%, because it's going to be placed back on the heat and it will finish cooking then. So the chicken is on, so I'm just now going to empty the whole bottle of tomato sauce, pasta sauce, in there, and then this is where you use the pasta water that you should have saved earlier to rinse everything that's remaining in the jar. Or if you forgot, I've just used regular water, it's fine. And you're just going to swish it around and throw it in the pot to get some nice sauce.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Look at that. This can be eaten alone. Like you could stop here and just serve it with some rice. Like, it's that good. So here, remember those frozen vegetables from earlier? I'm adding those to the pot. You know, you need to, you know, add some nutrients, some nutritious things to your pot. So this is it. Like I said, you could just eat this as is. Like, you could just stop right here because it was that good. Just add salt, just taste, add salt, black pepper, everything, anything that's missing, just add it.
As you fade away, I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Time to add your pasta. Okay, so just add your pasta little at a time, you know, so they don't spill out, so everything gets coated properly in the sauce. Just add a bit at a time and mix. Add the rest and mix and continue until everything is done. I use 2 packets. You could use 1 in this. Well, I would use more than 2, but you know, preference. It turned out really, really, really good.
As you fade away, I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
And here you have it, folks. Chicken pasta in tomato sauce, no dairy. I don't eat dairy unless it's pizza. But yeah, this was really good. It was really good. I have to say that again. So do try the recipe. If you do try, let me know. You know, leave a comment below on what else you want to see me do on my channel. I really appreciate the love. Look at all that goodness. Like, look at it. It looks great. And the kitchen was smelling really good. And kind of sad now because it's all done. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.